Hello students, welcome to PraescioEdu YouTube channel. This is scholarship exam standard 5th online class subject intelligent test and the topic is water reflection image. In this video we are going to see the solution keys for the practice test IT013. The common directions for question 1 to 10. In each of the question a problem figure is held vertical above water surface. Okay, this is a water surface which is held for the all the questions figures. Identify its water reflection and select the proper alternatives. From the four alternatives we have to select the proper image for the water reflection. Okay, so this is a water reflection surface. Okay, now this is the figure. So always be, we have seen the left side and the right side, means this figure have this half side and this half side. Okay, so suppose this is the left side. Okay, left side, and this is the right side. Okay, so it will always be same, but only the flipping, or we can say the verticality and the downward and the upward side. Okay, means the verticality will be maintained here, and now arrow is toward the downward. Now here it will be upward, and the circle will be as it is, like this one. Okay, so this fundamental we have to apply for all this one. There is no such any formula, but there is a logic. Okay, through the practice only you will get the proper logic. And for this one, the question number 1 answer is the option number 3. Now question number 2, this figure, if you observe carefully you will get a proper solution of this option number 4. Now question number 3, this figure, for the question number 3, this figure having the correct option in option number 1. If you identify clearly you will get the option number 1 is the correct one, because if you see here the 6 will looks like the something different, means this portion is in right and left reflections. Okay, and 2 is as it is, so this is not, even 2 is here, keep it same, but here the 6 is as it is, and here the same figure is mentioned, so option number 1 is the correct one. Now question number 3, for this one the option number 4 is a correct one. So student, please observe carefully and just note down the correct answers and why this option or the means other 3 options are not correct options, so that we have to think about this one, so then you will get a correct logic. Then question number 5, option number 2 is a correct one. Now question number 6, option number 3 is a correct one, because the J is here and the left side of the J is, keep it same, means this or this side will be keep it same. Okay, and the K is as it is. Okay, because both the lines are centrally meet, and T will be now this horizontal line at the top and it will comes the bottom, so this is the correct options. Now question number 7, for this one if you observe carefully, so this inclined line will be keep it as it is, and this small line here and small circle like this one, and this is given in option number 1. Now question number 8, for this one the option number 2 is a correct one, and the why option number 1, 3 and 4 is not correct, that student has to observe, because this is the same as it is, so this is not a correct one. Now here if you observe carefully, so the here this line and this line are touching different, but here at the same time that is a intersecting. Okay, so this is a incorrectly, and here the lines, these small lines are comes inside one. Okay, so that's why this is a incorrect one. Now question number 9, option number 4 is a correct one. Now question number 10, option number 1 is a correct one. This 7, this horizontal line of the 7 is top, and here it will come the bottom side, and this inclined line like this one, so it will comes this one. Okay, mean the vertically flipping, but left and the right side will be keep it same, and 3 will be this small portion of the 3 will at the bottom comes. Okay, and the opening toward this left side will be keep it same. Okay, and this is the bigger half. Okay, we can say, so this option number 1 is the correct one. Now question number 11, option number 4 is the correct one, if you keenly observe the eyes and the nose. Okay, then question number 12, option number 4 is correct here also, if you observe the door and this small circle, so you will get the correct options, because here these small circles are in this rectangular, actually this should be here, so that's why this is the incorrect one. And here the door is toward the roof touching. Okay, but actually it should be the bottom side, so this is the error point. And here this image is the same one, so this is a incorrect one. So the option number 4 is a correct one. Now question number 13. So for this one, option number 2 is a correct one. If you observe the once this horizontal line will be left maintained, here also the left maintained, and 5 is here, this opening will becomes at the bottom side means here, and now this 9 will be reflecting, or we can say vertically downwards, means this circle will be in a downward direction. So this is a correct one. Now question number 14. For this one, the option number 2 is a correct one. So if you keenly observe, the R will be reflect same here, okay. So R will be reflect like this one, and B will be, this bigger size will be at the top one, and the small one will be the bottom side, and this P will be like this one, and this is given in option number 2. Now question number 15. If you observe carefully, these two arrows in this direction means toward the light, so that right side will be maintained here, and this horizontal line with the end of the two small lines will be keep it as it is, and this is given in option number 4. If you observe the others one, so here option number 3, the right side will be comes in left side, so that's why this is incorrect. And here option number 2 is the same as it is. Option number 1, it comes the right side of the arrow, it comes the downward to the left side, and this is incorrect one. So the option number 4 is the correct one. Thank you.